So if you're worried that Roland may ruin your eclipse watch, enter the contest and you might actually be able to see it from an airplane.
Month of August, let's see, August 21st. The only concern would be the potential for thunderstorms in the afternoon.
But it's in the morning, so it's going to be minimal
should
chance.
Be okay. Should be okay. But can you imagine being on that flight and sitting in the aisle?
Yeah.
That's the one time I want a window seat, guys.
Well, even the middle seat, you'd have to crane over somebody, say, excuse me, can I get a look out that little window there?
Yeah. Okay. Unless they put a sunroof on the airplane. That would be
that
cool.
would be nice.
That would be cool.
Also a bit of a risk.
Yes. All right, guys. Well, we have the possibility of some thunderstorms moving into the Treasure Valley this evening. Now, I'll tell you this right now. If we do see storms, yes, there could be a little rain. But more than anything with this kind of a scenario, because the air is so dry at the surface, if we do see thunderstorms, they can generate some very strong gusty winds because a lot of that moisture will evaporate before it hits the ground. Here's the perspective we're seeing right now from the Mile High Marina up in McCall. Definitely some clouds are starting to roll in. There were some dark, ominous clouds I saw there a moment ago. Wind is pretty much out of the west-southwest at 12 miles per hour, so not seeing any real gusty winds in the Treasure Valley at this moment. But look at the temperature reading, 95 degrees. That's a lot of heat that's being stored into the atmosphere, and it wants to go up. And if it goes up, it could start taking some of that moisture with it, generating the possibility of a few showers, maybe some wind here later on this evening. Then, cooler days are in the forecast tomorrow. This is a weak front that's moving through, so behind the front, temperatures will cool down. Lots of sunshine is expected this week, and then it looks like it's going to be a hot and a dry 4th of July weekend. So the Doppler radar, we have some showers and storms down here in the Magic Valley. Not much happening in the Treasure Valley right now, but just moving into Malheur County, you can see a line of thunderstorms right there, and the trajectory of this moisture might take it right across the Treasure Valley. So I'm going to be watching for the possibility of some of these storms this evening. Already seeing a scattering hit and miss of showers and storms pretty much from the south of Mountain Home out here towards the Twin Falls area. And look at what's going to happen with the temperature reading. So today, highs around parts of the valley, upper 90s near 100 degrees. Tomorrow, we drop it down to 87 degrees. That's going to be the cooling effect behind this disturbance that's moving in. 85 degrees on Wednesday, so it's going to feel very nice. Then up to 87 on Thursday. On Friday, back up to 90 degrees. On Saturday, up to 92 degrees. The average for this time of the year is 85 degrees with the sunset now at 9:30 p.m. So here's this weak disturbance, and overall, this little feature is going to continue to move on through, but the high pressure is what's been causing the temperature readings to be very hot throughout the day today. So what we need is to see this high pressure break away, and it does do that. And then behind this disturbance, a little bit more of a northwesterly flow in the forecast tomorrow. And what that does, that's going to be nature's air conditioning. That northwesterly flow is going to start to usher in some cooler conditions from the Pacific Northwest. So here's the 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley itself. Let's watch for some of those scattered showers and storms this evening. Again, the possibility of gusty winds. Then tomorrow, mostly sunny skies with cooler temperatures, highs ranging from the mid to the upper 80s. On Wednesday, 85. On Thursday, 87. Look at the sunshine expected through the 4th of July weekend with temperature readings on Friday at 90 degrees, Saturday 92, Sunday 93, Monday 94. The mountains are going to be seeing a scattering of showers and storms here tonight, just a few clouds tomorrow, but all in all, the pattern looks great. Super dry weather expected as we go into the upcoming holiday weekend. Maybe some of the central mountains will see a little chance of showers around Saturday into early Sunday, but it doesn't look very promising right now for the potential for rain, Brent. It looks like we'll see the wind, but all in all, the pattern for the next 5 to 7 days wants to be hot and it wants to be dry.
And we'll be watching for thunderstorms. I understand there's a warning out to the west of us in Oregon.
Yes.
That Boise issue.
And so those are the storms that we're going to be watching, is those ones that develop there and south heading this way.
All right.
Okay.